Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a cook with me, or how to cook spaghetti with minced meat. These are all the ingredients that we will need. We'll need spaghetti, coriander, salt, cooking oil, tomato paste, blended tomatoes, but if you don't want to blend them, you can leave them, but me, I blend them, minced meat, and onions. When you have your oil ready, you put in onions. You can also add garlic before they turn golden brown, but I did not want to use garlic. You add in blended tomatoes. If you don't want to blend them, you can also leave them, but me, I want to use blended tomatoes. Then add tomato paste to give it more taste. Add minced meat. Since it's from the freezer, when it gets heated up, it will produce water which we will use, or which will help us to boil it. So cover it up on a low heat as we boil the spaghetti. While spaghetti is boiling, add some salt, just a little. When spaghetti is ready, hoping that you timed it, rinse the water out or dry off the water, or pour the water and mix it with the meat. I'm using a fork because I don't want my spaghetti to break. I just broke it like once before I cooked it, so I don't want it to keep breaking, so I'm using a fork. And keep mixing, and remember to keep it on a low heat. And the last ingredient we are putting is coriander. This is how you make your delicious spaghetti with minced meat. Simple. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in a few days, inshallah. Enjoy.